Hey, Allison Cram here. Welcome back to my channel. My purpose here on this channel is to help you create the abundant life you dream of and that you deserve, and to help you learn how to live your life on your terms for the benefit of you, your family, and those you influence. So I'm really glad you're here, and if you're new here, I ask you to please hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you'd give me a thumbs up, that would be great. And then in the comment section down below, I'd really like to know what your thoughts are. And I mean that sincerely. So today I want to share with you 3 affiliate marketing tips that will help you decrease your risk of losing money or not being successful and increase your sustainability of your business online, and specifically with affiliate marketing. There are a lot of people looking to build a business online these days. I'm always amazed at how many people are like, oh, you have a business online, so do I. Or you have a business online, I've been looking into that. And there's different things that motivate each person for wanting to do that. Some are tired of their current job and they want to be their own boss. They want more time freedom to live life on their own schedule, or maybe some want to stay at home with their kids. I know a lot of moms, I have a couple of nieces that they hate going to work every day and leaving their kids with the sitter. And so there's a lot of moms who are looking to do that. And they want to pay off debt, or they're saving up for a huge purchase like a new home or a new vehicle. And they don't want to get a second or third job that locks them into a time frame. They want to be able to generate that income on their own time schedule. Some, like me, maybe have multiple reasons for wanting to generate more income online. For me, I realized that our farm, the income was going to be decreasing because of the oversupply of cranberries, and so the whole supply and demand. So the price of berries was going to be going down, and so we needed to augment my income by building an online business and generating more income. The second reason was we have a dream to travel more. In the off seasons, we want to be able to travel and go to different places and do humanitarian work and do, and just to not only to do humanitarian work, but also just to vacation and travel more. And the third reason was I really want more time freedom. My father will be 80 this year, and I really wanted time to be able to spend with them and do more things with them and help them take care of more of the things that they're not able to at this point in their life. And so I wanted that time freedom. And so finding something online, a way to generate income online, seemed to be the most logical way to go. And for all of us, though, the underlying reason for wanting to build a business online really is to make money. And that's not a bad thing. However, the mistake that many people make is that that's their whole purpose. And their whole plan is just to make money. And the issue with that is that they get involved then in programs who promise them that they will, with a very low financial or time investment, that they can make thousands and thousands of dollars right out the gate. And most of the time that's not true. And the other problem with that is a lot of times those programs don't give you very good training so that you can really accomplish what they say you can accomplish. And another problem is sometimes people get involved in programs. This happened to me, actually. I invested a lot of money into a program, and after several months it was shut down and it was gone, and I lost all of my money. And so you want to make sure there's 3 keys that can help you to decrease your risk of this happening to you, and that will help increase your financial stability and the sustainability of your online business. And so let's hop into those really quickly. The first key is to create multiple streams of income. And what does this mean? You want to have income coming in from diverse sources. So let me use Apple as an example. They have multiple products. They don't have just one product. They have the iPod, the iPad, the iPhone, the MacBook, the iMac, they have Apple iTunes, they have the iWatch, they have this whole suite of products, and they all sync together, they all interrelate. And so this helps them because, number one, all of these products utilize the cloud, which is a monthly subscription. All of these products utilize iTunes, where you can download music and buy movies and rent movies, and that's where you get your apps and all these kinds of things. And so not only are they getting income off of the product that's selling, they're making money off of the services that are provided along with that. And also they have repeat customers. I have an iPhone, an iMac, a MacBook, an iPad, an iPod, and I really like Apple. And so obviously I'm a repeat customer. My folks have iPhones. My boyfriend has an iPhone. And so we're all repeat customers. And so that's one way to create multiple streams of income. The other way is to be involved in different programs or providing different services online. So perhaps you want to get into affiliate marketing and you want to provide educational or digital products, and you want to promote that to people. You want to sell that to people as a service for them. Or maybe I was with a friend today and she has her own personal label products that she sells on Amazon. And or maybe you're reselling somebody else's product. You know, there's network marketing and multi-level marketing that's now done online. There's personal business coaching or mentoring services, and some have health coaching or fitness coaching online. And there's all different kinds of services and bundles that you can do, and that's what I mean by multiple streams of income. And when you have those multiple streams of income, then as the market changes, or if one product is no longer viable, then you have other sources to rely upon, and you're not stuck or locked into just that one. The second way to increase your security online and decrease your risk online is to create a business foundation that's set up for success across multiple platforms. And what do I mean by that? There are certain ways that there are certain programs, like I talked about affiliate marketing or Amazon, selling on Amazon, e-commerce, coaching, speaking, all those different kinds of services that are online. And the thing though is that if you learn the skills of driving traffic and driving customers to your website, to your product, to your service, then you can utilize those same strategies, that same knowledge and what's in your head across all the platforms. So if the market changes, you still have those strategies there. Another key pillar or another key knowledge base to have is how to convert leads, people who have said they're interested in your product, but maybe they're not quite ready yet, but how to convert those into sales. Excuse me. Another key is to know how to communicate with your audience, because when you're in online marketing, it's not about selling a product. It's not just about getting that sale and then you're gone. What you want to do, and those that are successful, it's the same as in the real world. You will go back to a store over and over again because the people are nice and they have good customer service, because you relate to them. There's a restaurant here in town that's our favorite restaurant. Well, it has the best food, and it's a little bit higher price, but we go there because the owner is so nice, and he'll come out and he'll sit down and visit with us and talk to us, and we just feel like we're home when we're there at that restaurant. And so we go back there time after time after time whenever we want to go out to eat, because we have a relationship with him and with the servers and with the cooks, and that's the same in the online world. You want to create a relationship with your audience because you want to build up relationships with them so that you know what they need, you know when they're needing it, and you can be responsive to them. And that relationship then down the road, they may not buy from you for a long time, but that doesn't matter because you have that relationship with them. And so learning how to do that, learning how to communicate with your those on your mailing list, learning how to build a loyal community and fostering a sense of relationship amongst yourselves, that's really important. And that is a skill that isn't just for selling this lamp or this tape dispenser. That's a skill that you use no matter what you're selling, no matter what you're doing. And so building your business up so that it's going to endure over time. The markets change. And so you need to know how to change with the market. Another key, the third key, is to have a purpose and or a mission for why you have a business. For some reason, a lot of people think that them needing or wanting money is a good enough reason for people to want to buy from them. And we've already talked about this, about how the relationship is so important. Well, here's the reality. You don't get to make money until you have provided a valuable service or a product that those that you're marketing to find valuable. You're not going to buy from me just because you saw my video. You're only going to buy from me if I have something that you see will fill a need that you have. And so when you have to know why you're online trying to make money and what it is that you're passionate about, what good or what product or what service can you provide that the people that you come in contact with online would want. And so the other part of that is you really have to believe in your product. You can go to many different websites and they have products that you can market and that you can promote and sell and stuff. And if you just grab one because it has the highest profit margin, and you don't know anything about it, let's say that you go and you find this thing that's supposed to help you grow your hair thicker and richer and take the gray out of your hair, and you're promoting this product, but you're bald. You're not going to have very good success because obviously you're not a very good example of that. And so you have to have a product that you enjoy, a product that you have found valuable, a product that you yourself are a product of, or a program that you can stand behind. The program that I'm involved with, I would sell it to my mother because I know that even though she's very limited in her computer skills, she could take this program that I promote and she could click by click by click be taught exactly how to set up her business. And so you have to have a product that you can 100% stand behind and say, I am a product of this product or this program, and I am 100% convinced that this is a good product or a good program or a great product or a great program. And you need to have a purpose or a mission for why you're even online, for why you're building your online business. For me, my mission is to help you create the truly abundant life that you dream of and deserve, and help you to live a healthier and more fulfilled life. And this guides everything that I do online. It guides what I put in my emails. It guides the types of YouTube videos I put out. It guides what I put on Instagram. It is the guiding factor in everything that I do. And it helps me to know what I'm trying to, what programs I will get involved with and what programs I won't. It helps me to keep an ethical standard and boundaries around what I'm willing to do and what I won't do. And so having a purpose and knowing exactly what that purpose is and knowing why you're there will help then your business to be sustainable over time online. And so I just want to thank you for watching. I hope that you got some value from this. These 3 keys will help you definitely to be able to be so much more successful and reduce your risk of being online. If you're interested in building a business online, please check out my #1 recommended program below for setting up a business that will prepare you for a stable, sustainable, and a lucrative future online. It will take you step by step through exactly everything you need to do in order to set up your business and to be ready for the long haul in online. So thanks again for watching. I hope you got some value from this video. And if so, please give it a thumbs up. Please, again, if you haven't yet, subscribe and click that bell. And what I would love to have you do below is comment what you would like to accomplish by building an online business. If you were to build a business online, what would be your purpose? Why would you want to build that online business? Thanks again for watching. Allison Cram saying so long. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you have a truly blessed day and that you will never give up on your dreams.